Are you a therapist or home care coordinator tired of the endless back and forth of arranging in-home assistive technology trials? Coordinating schedules between yourself, your client, and suppliers can take up so much of your day. You spend hours on administration and moving equipment around instead of helping your clients. Wouldn't it be great if there was a simpler way to manage low-cost assistive technology trials? At Unicare, we've found a solution that cuts out all the complicated steps and lets you focus on what you do best, caring for your clients. Introducing Showroom at Home, the easier way to access and trial low-cost assistive technology. What is Showroom at Home? Showroom at Home brings over 100 low-cost assistive technology options directly to your client's doorstep. Our mobile showroom vans offer a convenient, personalized, in-home trial experience for you and your clients. Let's have a look at what's inside the van. There are bedroom and dressing products such as stocking aids, button hooks, bed rails, and more, as well as bath and toileting aids like shower chairs, raised toilet seats, and fall prevention mats. Need mobility solutions? We've got you covered with a selection of wheelchairs and cushions, as well as a range of seat walkers and mobility aids. You can explore the full collection on our website. As you can see, we've put the most frequently recommended products by therapists and home care providers in one convenient mobile showroom. The best part? This service is completely free and available to anyone looking to improve their independence and safety at home. Booking Showroom at Home is simple. Step 1. Enter the visit address. Step 2. Select a convenient date and time. Step 3. Provide basic contact information. You'll receive a booking confirmation email to manage the appointment. On the scheduled day, our friendly product specialist will arrive with the Showroom at Home van, offering you and your client a private, personalized showroom experience. Trial one or multiple products to find the perfect fit and functionality for your client's needs. Showroom at Home helps you improve your assessment accuracy. It's like having a mini showroom experience at your fingertips. Can't make the appointment? No problem. Our Showroom at Home specialists can facilitate the trial and provide you with a visit report. We'll even provide a quote at the end of the appointment so you don't have to wait. Book Showroom at Home today and experience the easier way to trial low-cost assistive technology.